Guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology. This is tutorial 47 and probably this is the second part of the March clause. The first part we already discussed on the tutorial 46. In that tutorial we have seen what is March clause and what are the different use cases we are going to talk about. I think we already discussed. So in last part we already discussed about a little bit on use cases like how to merge one node with label using merge clause. But in this topic I'll be going to discuss about merge single node there is a typo, single node I believe this will be single node with property without label. So in the last video we have seen how to merge a node with label. Now we'll see how to merge a node with some property values but there will be no label. So let me go back to the CYPHER console. So let me first check what are the different things are available. Match in, delete in. So I'll remove everything whatever exists. So now nothing is there, so we'll merge now. Merge A, and there should be some property name equals to Ronnie, then return A dot name. Some problem is there. What is the problem? Okay, the spelling mistake. Okay, see, so create one node, create one set property. So now if I do this again, so nothing will happen. So streaming the record but nothing created. If we change this thing to Johnny, so created one property, one set of node, but there is no label. That is because we haven't mentioned anything. So in this way we can create a node with kind of property values as well. So this is very simple. I'll be going to again, but let's remove this part. That is the not the main part. See, no changes, but again if you change this name to Tom and enter, so again it will be created. So the same thing like last time. Okay, so if something is not available or exist, it will go and create. So it will make sure that the pattern should exist. So that was the definition. The merge clause ensured that the pattern exists in the graph. Either the pattern already exists or it needs to be created. If you put something using merge clause, it means the pattern should be exist. It means either it is already present or if it is not present, merge clause is going to create that. Okay, so again same thing. Well, I think I did a mistake. It should be from here. Okay, so let me check this thing. So this is going to be if there is no node with name property equals to Tom, then it will create a new node with the given property. I think I should property else do nothing. Okay, so this is the main thing. If you give this like merge A and the pattern is name colon Tom, it means the name is the property key value and Tom is the actual value. Okay, like if you think this as a dictionary. Okay, so if there is no node with that value of name property, then merge clause is going to create the node for you. Else do nothing. It means the node or the pattern which you are referring is already exist. So now if I go back to normal Python, so same thing. So let me take a copy paste from here. Okay, wiki, let's run this thing. Terminated. Now we'll check match n, return n. So this is wiki. This is just now this got created. Okay, this is Tom, this is Johnny, this is Ronnie. So we'll see again if I change it to Martha. Now let's run this thing again. So it's terminated. So if I run this clause again, so it should return 5 nodes. See, 5 nodes. So this is Vicky, this is Tom, this is Johnny, this is Ronnie, and this is Martha. So from Python also it is definitely going to same, but just because our main objective is to use Neo4j driver, which is imported, which is already imported here, and we are going to talk about some sort of like artificial intelligence driven application based on Neo4j CYPHER, and the language will be Python. So I always prefer to do it like parallelly, one from CYPHER console like Neo4j console, and one from Python. CYPHER is always the main language, or the base language, or the base query language for Neo4j. So the syntax will be always same for the CYPHER part, that is here, but the other remaining parts are additional for Python. Okay, so let me put this thing again here. Okay, and same thing, whether you mention this thing or not, it is going to return the same thing. Okay, so let me resize this thing a bit, and let me size a bit small. Let 14. Yes, 14 is fine. That's it. So that's all, guys. I hope you guys are now able to follow the classes, the course, or the tutorial. I'm not sure, like initially when I uploaded like 10-15 videos, that time I got to know that I'm going very fast. I need to create some sort of like PPTs and source code for GitHub. So after that I completely changed the way of like tutorial or uploading the videos or the recording of the tutorials. Now I hope you guys are like not finding any more difficulties. But again, if someone is facing difficulties, problem, please let me know. I'll try to fix those things. And if you have any suggestion or feedback or any sort of like complaint, please feel free to write me. I will try to improve all those things from the remaining videos. And if someone is having any use cases and want to discuss with me, please feel free to write. We will try to create another tutorial or something similar, because in the last few weeks back we got some use cases, and that's why we created some sort of exercise, more or less all the tutorials which we uploaded for a social networking site, like who is mutual friend, how many friends. Those are actually came from 4 or 5 of our students from who has actually subscribed my course from Udemy, and as well as few are from YouTube. So guys, keep writing to me, keep interacting with me. This will actually help me, and as well to actually it will help me to learn more about yourself, guys, and also it will help you guys to improve your skills. Okay, so nothing wrong in that. I will always encourage you to do some sort of practice. It will actually help you to gain more knowledge. So that's all guys, that's all for today. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and have a nice evening.